Hey, it's Morgan King from Morgan King Real Estate Group. And today I want to talk to you about the number one thing you need to consider when you're starting a renovation. So whether it's your kitchen or your bathroom, if you're planning on spending top dollar, high-end money, looking for those luxury elements within your design, my recommendation is to really consider if your upgrade is really trend focused or can withstand the test of time. So for example, right now there's a lot of homes hitting the market in La Jolla that have either been renovated or built within like 2005 to 2010 or 12. And you can really see the age in trend on some of the homes. They have these really high-end marble kitchen countertops, bathroom countertops, really nice ceramic flooring, this ornate backsplash in the kitchen. However, from a buyer's perspective, when they walk into that home, all they're seeing is that it's outdated and it needs to be renovated. And the seller likely included the costs of those luxury renovations in the price of the home, making it seem a little bit unfair from a buyer's perspective when looking at comps. So I just urge you to consider if you're going to stay in your home for the rest of your life and you have money to burn, this video does not apply to you. But if you're planning on potentially selling your home at some point, you really want to look at the return on your investment for your renovation. And also, is it super trend focused, or is there an opportunity for me to extend the life of this design by picking something that maybe isn't so in the moment? So I hope you found this useful. Please like or share if you did, and we'll talk soon.